Okay guys, here are the changes that we went over on Tuesday, starting with the bar area, which got a little shorter with the wider hood and this added cabinet here. So this is the opening for the fridge, 42 inches. This door, because of the height, it's only about 10 inches tall. The hinges will be on the top, so it'll flip up. We have the panels that come down to give this a built-in hutch look with glass doors and glass shelves, clear glass. Adjustable shelves in here, single door all the way up, drawer stack in the middle, obviously. This cabinet here, these two upper doors would close up the space for the, where am I going here? Close up the space for the toaster oven, which would, we could do possibly a granite or quartz top inside. You won't be able to see any of that with these doors closed, but open that up in the toaster oven and the coffee maker inside with pull-outs below. Double oven over here. The drawer below, this did not change at all from the original design. Our hood has stayed the same with the exception of the arch on the bottom. We're trying to get that lined up with the box beam in the ceiling. And I don't know exactly where the center of that is. I think we're pretty close, but the intention here is to line up the hood with that box beam. These are 13 inches deep. Floating shelves go all the way into the corner. It does not look good to put a cabinet here. It just closes this off too much. Your 36-inch cooktop, tray divider, spice pull-out, drawers underneath the cooktop, and these cabinets on either side of the hood are the same size as these two cabinets on either side of the cooktop. So that is all balanced out nicely. And in order to do that, we had to do away with the Lazy Susan. So this is a dead corner. But you guys have quite a bit of space, so you'll be okay with that unless you really want to utilize that corner space. But the payoff for having all this balanced, I think, is worth it. Large undermount apron sink. Standard cabinet to the left of the sink. And this cabinet with glass doors will sit on the countertop. And we have panels that come down to the floor. So if we zoom in a little bit here, actually this would come out flush with that door, but just to give this a bit of a more custom look, a standalone piece. So these panels on the side are 1.5 inches wide, as well as the panel here and here, 1.5 inches. And on this cooktop, these three cabinets step out about 3 inches. The dishwasher is in the island here. With plumbing being in the island already, that should be fine, facing the sink. Having the dishwasher here just messes up the balance and symmetry of all of this. So we have our dishwasher. There'll be a shaker panel on the left side, drawer stack, ice maker, microwave cabinet. This is your sink cabinet and a drawer stack in between. The smaller island, we can see the face of that, and the countertop for these two islands will be the same, and if we put posts on the back with a larger overhang, we can achieve that. And this will be the butcher block top. And if we make these island cabinets a really dark color, the walnut I'm a little leery about doing for the butcher block just for the color, but if we do a paint grade maple butcher block, and that is a much lighter color, which I think will work better, and that paint grade maple has some mineral in it, So if you want to look that up, just so you can see some of the gray, darker streaks in it, I think that'll look nice. But those are the changes we came up with. I am pretty happy with this, but it's up to you guys. I think this came out pretty well as far as balancing it out. So let me know what you think, and we can take it from there. All right, thanks, guys.